Hello. Today, a different kind of video from my side, kind of a unboxing video. On Amazon, you can buy things used or at least buy their return items. Then when you buy them, there's 4 different levels, you can say, of used/returned items. First one is used, like new. There the package might be damaged. Item is fully functional and all accessories are included. Second level, it is used, very good. Might have some minor cosmetic wear, still fully functional, all accessories are there, unless noted it says. And then you have used good, where you can have moderate signs of wear, small scratches and stuff, but still fully functional, and some accessories might be missing there. Then you have used but acceptable, and this is where I'm wondering. The 3 other levels are kind of self-explanatory, but what is acceptable? What is acceptable to me? What is acceptable to you? Guess it's all different. They're stating that the unit item will show or might show significant signs of wear, but it performs its primary function, so I would expect it to be working at least. And it can have cosmetic defects, which could be scratches, dents, whatever. And some accessories might be missing. That are the 4 levels of return item, use item you can get from Amazon. Shortly told, of course. There's probably more details on their website. So before I come to the actual item I wanted to show in this video, I will actually show the same item, also bought in acceptable condition, which I got yesterday. This Denon N12, what is it called? Hi-Fi, mini hi-fi thing. And what was wrong with it? The cosmetic condition, it was super. There was a small little scratch here. You cannot even see it on the camera, I guess. Perfect condition all the way around. Oh, okay, maybe not perfect, but at least in very good condition. And on the back, the only thing I have seen is a little scratch up there next to the antenna cable up here. So overall, in very good condition, and of course I got very happy with that. But unfortunately, when I connected it, it wasn't working. No sound came out of it, and that's pretty essential with such a thing. And of course I had connected my speakers. I called the Denon customer support. They were not very helpful, to be honest. Actually, pretty bad customer service, and made me actually consider if I ever want to buy this brand again. But enough about that. Then we called Amazon, and they were pretty helpful. They said even though it was a used item, it should still be working. So they would either let us return it, get our money back, or they would offer that we would send it to repair and they would cover the cost of the repair. And to me that sounds like good service, actually. Only problem, if it would go out for repair, it would maybe take a few weeks before I would have it back, and I kind of want it now because, when you get new stuff, of course you want to try it. So that is where I have another box I have bought, also in acceptable condition with the same unit inside. But let's see how that one will be, since we didn't have much luck with the first one in terms of functionality. And another thing worth mentioning with the other unit that I have gotten, of course it doesn't work, but there was also missing the user manual and HDMI cable, and I don't know, maybe other cables, I'm not so sure, but at least this was also missing in the box. So let's get to the new one. open it. So, what does acceptable condition really mean? Here we have the original box. Just take it out. Box looks more or less intact. Right. So let's open it up. It's definitely missing some of the packing foam here, but manual are here, all the manuals, and it's somehow packed in. What is the condition? Good. I mean, from first view it looks fine. Here's not even scratches. Here's also something this I can also just remove. So the side looks good. The back also nothing that looks suspicious. This side also looks fine, a little dirty, but I mean, bottom, nothing to complain about. And before we look on the front side, let's make it a little exciting and have a look on the accessories. Remote is here. Looks to be fine condition. HDMI cable, antenna, power cable. Good. And now let's have a look on the front. Looks all good. And also model is the right one. It is a N12 DAP. Good. And let's try to connect and see if it turns on. It seems to be working for now, at least. English language, check, and CD tray is working. Do we have light in the buttons? Yes. As for now, everything seems to be working. No big damage. And yeah, from visually, I cannot see anything I would complain about here, so for that I am very happy, to be honest. And then it's just a question of, will it actually work? And yeah, I'll do the rest of the testing with the speakers, with the CDs, of cameras, and then we'll see if I will find anything not working. Then I guess I will cut it in the video right here. And if nothing just came, then everything is good with this machine, with this amp. So from this I can just conclude, if it is working, it is more than acceptable to me, this one. For saving these, yeah, how much did I save? 200 euros around. It is perfectly worth it for me if it is working, of course. So, nope. Then guess there's nothing more to say. Then thank you for watching. If you like this movie, give me a like, hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for now. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye bye.